Hi everyone, welcome to Basu's financial channel. Today we are going to discuss about the strategy for today's session, that is 24th June 2021. Yesterday we clearly discussed if the market is opening gap up, okay, and that gap will not be holding and it will be sold into. Okay, so and also we clearly discussed that it will be taking support at this particular point. In fact, it stayed in this range for almost like 2 to 3 hours of time, and in the afternoon once this big candle has formed here at exactly 2 o'clock, the big selling has come into pressure. Okay, so that's how the market has fell like another 150 points and all. What yesterday we discussed, based on this strategy, I had taken a position and I bought the put and I made some profit based on that. Okay, let us discuss the today's strategy. What if the market opens gap up and gap down, and if it opens flat, how to trade? Okay, this is a 15 minutes chart. If the market opens gap up, say around this level, okay, so this what happens here is that the gap will not be holding up, so it will slightly come into selling pressure, and it will stay here for some more duration of time, and then after 12:30 or 1 o'clock it will set the direction, because today is monthly expiry. Today is 24th of June, and it is having a monthly expiry for June series and the Reliance AGM. Okay, annual general meeting, that is one of the very important meeting for the market, especially Reliance, and it will set the direction. Okay, because of expiry, we expect the market to be highly volatile in the afternoon. Okay, at least after 1 o'clock. This is what I can expect from the market. If it is opening gap up, if it is opening gap up, what will happen? It the gap will be sold out, and it will stay here for some time, and then in this particular range it will be staying up to 1 o'clock, and after 1 o'clock the direction will be up or down. Based on that direction you need to take the trade. This is one thing. Second thing, if the market is opening flat at this particular level, say, somewhere around 15,690, this flat will be sold into, definitely, because there is a huge selling pressure, and the market stayed here for half an hour yesterday, and then there will be some more selling happening again in the morning itself. Okay, and if the market opens gap down at this particular point, what will happen? The buyers will pitch in and then they start buying. Okay, if the market opens gap down, we don't expect any kind of fall. We expect a recovery. Why? Because last 2 to 3 days, whenever we witnessed a gap down, we have seen a recovery, and that was bought into. Okay, so same thing we will expect. Okay, we don't expect any kind of selling if the Nifty opens gap down. Okay, that will be bought into. That is one thing. Next, we'll go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is going to be highly volatile. Yesterday we discussed again, if the Bank Nifty is opening up at this particular level, it will be sold into. And we did not take any position, but we made the analysis. And here it stayed. Okay, or in fact, you can see this is we have a breakout here, but that breakout did not sustain. And once the breakdown came here, the selling started. So what we expect, if the Bank Nifty opens flat, we expect some more fall, say somewhere around 300 points fall. And if the market opens gap up, if it opens too high, it will be sold into and taking support at this particular point, and then it will head back. Okay, if it opens somewhere here, it will sold into a very little points. Okay, and then at this particular point it will be staying for more amount of time, say somewhere around 2 hours of time. Then after 1 o'clock the market will be giving a clear trend. either up or down. Today is a monthly expiry, so you can expect some kind of wild moves in Bank Nifty. And we have another case, if the market is opening gap down, what we can expect? So the market will be bought into, and the gap will be utilized by the buyers who are waiting to buy shares at a lower level. So this is for the today's session, that is 24th June, and I'll be coming up with one video today. Today afternoon, I'll be uploading that video that is containing 4 stocks as a recommendation. So with a lot of technical analysis, I made the discussion on that, and you can watch it. And thank you so much for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please like it.